Peter and Megan often to the cinema. Go, goes. Here we have often, a keyword that refers to the present simple tense. And in the present simple, we use the base verb, like play, or the verb plus s, like plays. This when the subject is I, they, we, you, and this with he, she, it. Peter and Megan are plural, more than one. So we can use they here. They takes the base verb without s, so go is the correct answer. Peter and Megan often go to the cinema. When blank come over, you will or will you? Well, in a normal sentence, we say you will come over. But if you want to change this sentence into a question form, you just need to change you will into will you. Will you come over? So will you is the correct answer here. When will you come over? You answer this one. Megan often blank at 9 p.m. Sleep or sleeps. Remember that often refers to the present simple, the base verb or the verb plus s. Megan here is she. What does she take? She sleep or she sleeps? Well, follow this rule and answer.